Hey guys, I have a massive episode for you. I have broken studs, fuel leaks, and a car that doesn't start. Will I be able to work it out? Find out in this episode. Plus a big reveal. So the next thing is this manifold. Now, I broke a bolt as I took it out of the car, so I need to work out how to get that out because a little bit of ice grips hasn't budged it yet. But I just want to take a moment to have a look at this design of the manifold. It's actually a really well-designed factory manifold. I do plan to make my own high-rise extractors, which should be fun because I can't weld. For a standard design, that is pretty good. I am impressed. Let's just put some heat through it and see if that helps. So I think we all knew that wasn't going to work. I tried spraying on some inox to cool it down a little bit quicker to sort of like break that connection that it had to the manifold, but that also didn't work. So what I'm going to do now is weld a big nut onto the stud, and that should give me a nice bit of leverage with a lever bar, and hopefully it doesn't break. Okay. Damn it. Okay, so that was an utter nightmare. So I tried welding on some nuts to the thread and it just kept breaking off lower and lower and lower until it got to the same height as the manifold. I then decided to drill it out because I thought I had an easy out, but I couldn't find the easy out. So then I spent 2 hours trying to drill it out a little bit more and then trying to tap it around and try and get the thread out. That failed, so I gave up. And then I just decided, hey, the easiest thing I can do is just drill it out to a bigger size and put a bolt in and put a nut on the other side. So I should have done that at the beginning. So the manifold is ready to go back on. Let's get that on with the rest of the exhaust and then we can work on fluids.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, Oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up, cause enough is enough.
So I just remembered I have a new gearbox mount, and then I said to myself, oh, I'll put it in at a later date. And then I realized I'd never put it in a later date, so we're gonna do that now.
Take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back.
It's wrong.
I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad.
And this is wrong, which is really, really annoying. So I pulled it all apart and this is not gonna fit. So I'm not sure why it's wrong, but I will have to get a replacement because the other one's still pretty good. So it just has a little bit of shake in the gear sticker but that could have been the engine mounts as well, which has also been replaced. So I will drive it and see while I wait on the new one. So now it's time to get the exhaust in. So let's get the exhaust in and then I can work on fluids.
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty.
I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Okay, and the exhaust is in. I am so happy about that. It is literally 40 degrees right now. It's insane how hot it is. Let's get the fluids in and see if this starts. But now the gearbox fluid is in. That means I've dropped the car back down and we've just got coolant and engine oil to go. I don't have any coolant at the moment, so I'm just going to put water in it because I'll do a flush anyway, and then we'll put engine oil and then we can give it a start.
Yeah, so now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear.
You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E.
and it didn't start. I'm not sure what I'm missing, but I was missing 2 earths. So I've bolted them on. I am really hot and I think I should probably go chillax for an hour and then have a think about it. I'll come back.
A few moments later.
So I'm gonna blame the heat on this one, but there's another earth not connected that is underneath the intake manifold. So I honestly cannot get my hands in there, so I need to take it off.
Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
And it is running. I honestly don't know why I forgot to connect all of the earth leads. For some reason they seem to all get forgotten, but I'm not sure why, but it's really hot. It's like 43 degrees in my shed at the moment, so I think that is a really big win. I am going to go have a shower and consume large amounts of ice water, and I'll be back in a minute. That was a tough day, and I was left thinking, why can't I keep it stock? Well, I can't keep it stock, you can't keep it stock, that's why you're watching this video. So please like and subscribe, as it does help out the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Because we're doing brakes.